morning, students. Thank you. All of you fine? Good. Before class, we already completed 6th lessons in our 3rd class social subject. Very good kada. Today 6 lessons మనం complete చేసుకున్నాం. Now we discuss the 7th lesson, the fire, forming and the wheel. Yesterday before classes I told you the fire and forming and invention of wheel is very important for our early human beings. I already told you those topics are discussed in our next class. In this class we will discuss fire, forming and the wheel invention. These are 3 most important things in our early human beings life. In before classes we already discussed what is their lifestyle. They hunting the animals and getting the food for them, and depends upon the food for fruits or roots of the trees. And then some time as the days are goes on, they are very difficult their life. That's life. Go for the forest and getting the food. Those are very hunting is not easy. Hunting is very difficult. So those are the difficulties is there in their daily life. For to achieve these lives, వాటి నుంచి వాళ్ళు బయటపడడానికి and easy చేసుకోవడానికి they try to make their life easy. They think for that. They think that to make their life easy. In that process, one day our early human beings observed the fire will catch in the forest. Fire ఎలా వస్తుంది మనకి? They don't know for that. Our early human beings are always dependent upon the nature. For everything, they are dependent upon the nature. In the nature, they observe, they noticed the dry leaves and dry stems. Those are catching by the fire. వాళ్ళు అడవుల్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు? ఎండిపోయిన ఆకులు, చెట్ల కొమ్మలు అనేవి వాటంతట అవే తగిలిపడిపోతూ ఉండే. మనం కూడా వింటుంటాం కదా న్యూస్ లో. అట్లా అడవులు తగిలిపడిపోతే మనం అక్కడ ఎవరు వెలిగించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. డ్రై లీవ్స్ అండ్ డ్రై స్టెమ్స్ ఆర్ క్యాచింగ్ ఫైర్. First they are afraid of that. Okay, for early human beings are afraid for the nature. How many things? Yes, the thunders are very afraid of, scared they are. In the fire, first they looked at the fire, they are afraid. After that, they think, how could the fire is useful to them? They know that how the fire is useful to them. How the fire is useful to them? They observe fire give heat and light to them. Fire give heat and light to them. Okay. Fire నుంచి మనకి ఏం వస్తుందని వాళ్ళు నోటీస్ చేశారు? హీట్ అండ్ లైట్. వేడిగా అనిపిస్తుంది ఫైర్ అనేది. లైట్ కూడా ఈవెన్ ఇన్ darkness in the forest they give a light. Fire give a light. Fire give our early human beings heat and light. Then what they do with fire? They observe. First they are afraid, but they slowly they know the use of the fire. They keep themselves. First they keep themselves warm. In the forest areas, they are very in the weather is if the weather is cold, they are getting warm themselves with the fire. They getting warm their bodies and with themselves with fire. They getting warm themselves with fire. After that, they think the fire is avoid the wild animals. Fire is keep away. Fire is keep themselves from wild animals also. Okay, they getting themselves warm. But then wild animals నుంచి కాపాడుకోవడానికి కూడా ఫైర్ పట్టుకున్నా అనుకో యానిమల్స్ వస్తాయి దగ్గరికి, రావు కదా. అట్లా they keep themselves from wild animals also, and they observe, and our early human beings observe the fire is cooked the raw meat, and the animals are some animals are troubled in fire. The animal flesh is cooked, fire cooked the food. They taste one piece. The cooked meat is very tasty and easy to chew. కుక్డ్ మీట్ ఎలా ఉందంటే వాళ్ళకి టేస్ట్ చూసినప్పుడు అది నమలడానికి ఈజీగాను టేస్ట్ గా కూడా ఉంది. బెటర్ దెన్ ద రా మెటీరియల్. ద కుక్డ్ ఫుడ్ ఈస్ టేస్టెడ్ అండ్ ఈజీ టు chew better than the raw meat. బిఫోర్ డేస్ వాళ్ళు ఏం తినేవాళ్ళు, హంట్ చేసుకునే యానిమల్స్ ని అలాగే తినేసేవాళ్ళు అనమాట పచ్చిగా. దెన్ after they discover the fire, after they use the fire, they cooked the flesh of animals. They cooked and they eat. It was easy to chew. Then they are thinking that then this is what an available fire is using like this. Then they think they are making a fire. How to they discover the fire? By rubbing stones. How they discover the fire? By rubbing 2 stones, and sparkles is there. Those the sparkles are giving fire. Okay, rubbing the stones, by rubbing the stones, they discover the fire. Using this fire, they can use better. Using this for after discover of fire, this was a great discovery in our early human beings life. But through the discovery of the fire, their lives are more comfortable. Okay, so many difficulties are gone. So they are not is there. వాళ్ళు అలానే ఉండాల్సిన పని లేదు. కోల్డ్ గా వెదర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు అలానే ఉండాల్సిన పని లేదు. They keep themselves warm with fire. Okay, this is comfortable for them. And wild animals, మన అటాక్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్ గురించి భయం ఉన్నప్పుడు వాళ్ళతో those they live in the caves. అలాంటి భయం ఉన్నప్పుడు fire is keep them from the wild animals. Those are and cooking food. Okay, these are the so many comfortables given by the fire. So our early humans life is more comfortable with the discovery of the fire. Okay, so many difficulties are there in the forest. They are lived. There is those are no one can remove them. No one can ఎవరు అలా తీర్చే వాళ్ళు లేరు. వాళ్ళే సొంతగా ఏదైనా ఆలోచించుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఆలోచించుకొని అది వాళ్ళు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారు. దే అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఫైర్ అడవులు కాలిపోతున్నప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏం చేశారు చూసి, how could it will be useful to us. They think and use the fire like these ways. Okay, this is fire is the discovery of fire is the great discovery. It was a great discovery. It gives our early human beings life more comfortable. Okay, this is the discovery of fire. The beginning of farming. In this topic, beginning of farming, we will discuss in the next class. Okay.